Hi friends, Gina Mayo from iChooseJoy.org here today, and I am going to be doing an unboxing of the Christmas box for 2022 from Artza Box. So let's see what we've got in this box. So this one comes with an overview card, some postcards, a recipe for crinkle carob cookies, and this is talking about your Christmas journey. So it's these different places are featured in the box from Israel. It talks about guess the city. So we've got some photographs there and you get to guess the city. It tells you what they are on the back. And here are some of the artisans. We have some wood ornaments, and this one is lavender body butter. We're going to look at all of these inside the box. Here's a candle, which is so cool because it's actually a topographical candle of the Sea of Galilee, and lavender toffee. All right. Another beautiful picture, some snow in Israel. And this card, a thank you card and message from the Artza Box family. All right, so I think this box is going to be a wonderful idea for something to give to somebody that is hard to buy for, because these gifts are so unique. So here's the candle I was telling you about. That is, looks like the Sea of Galilee. I think this is so cool. Let me figure out how to open it. So it's made out of beeswax. They use topographical data from radar imaging, and then they scale it. So I'm not going to open it up, but you could see what that looks like there. The wick is right on top there. That's really cool. Let me see what it smells like. It smells like beeswax. Then we have, this is Israeli Winter Nights Herbal Tea Blend, which I'm so excited to try out because I love tea. Dried hyssop, sage, and something I can't pronounce, Micromeria fruticosa. So that's what this tea is for. Then we have, in this cute little box, a beautiful ornament for me to hang on my tree. Look at that, isn't that so pretty? It's a nativity scene in there, if you can see that. Next we have the toffee, lavender toffee. So I'm trying to see where this is made in. Everything's made in Israel, product of Israel. I was just trying to see if it was a specific place, and I can't tell. But that is going to be yummy. So this is what the lavender toffee looks like. Next we have the luxury winter body butter, Alma's soap. So let's look at this pretty little container here. And we're not done. A couple more things in here. We have conscious carob syrup. So I have a feeling this is what we use in this recipe for these cookies. Let me just see if I'm right about that. Yes, so this carob syrup is for the cookies. And then we have another pretty ornament right here. Isn't that beautiful? Wood again, but a different type of style. And then I believe this is the last item it is. And I am so excited to see what this looks like because I heard about it. It is a table runner. So I'm not sure I can show it in completely in this video here, but let me see if I can kind of unroll it. Isn't that pretty? And it's got Hebrew right here. And so it's pretty long. It looks like it's several feet long, and it's this thick material, so you could use it as a hot pad, so to put your food on the table. Let me see what it says here. Yes, table runner. A table runner, heat insulated, easy to clean. So let me just review one more time everything you get. This beautiful table runner, the tea, the toffee, the body butter, the candle, see if we could see it like that, and the carob syrup, the beautiful ornaments, and then things like the recipe and these fun cards with this map of Israel where all these things are made. Enjoy it, and be sure to look at the coupon code so you can get 25% off. Look below the video. Bye-bye.